Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. J. Deepa, Assistant Professor, Department of Food Technology from Hindustan College of Engineering Technology, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to see about the material handling equipments. So, material handling is the function of moving the right material to right place in right time, the right amount, in sequence, in right condition. Material handling includes a number of operations. Either it can be executed by hand or by mechanical means. So mechanical equipments have been developed to reduce the human drudgery. So the main goal of this material handling is to promote safety and improve working conditions, promote productivity, use gravity, mechanize material handling and automate material handling, and also to maintain or improve the product quality with the reduced damage of the materials. The most common types of mechanical devices for grain handling are belt conveyor, bucket elevator, screw conveyor, chain conveyor, and pneumatic conveyor. So the selection of material handling machines and conveyors will be decided based on the capacity. So the conveying design has to be selected according to the characteristics of the product, stability of the conveyor under normal conditions and climatic conditions, capacity of the conveying and speed rating should be at specified limits, and dead load of the conveyor should be low, and the conveying system should be operated by the gravity, and the capacity of handling and conveying equipment should match the capacity of the processing units, and spillage of the conveyed product should be avoided. So noise and dust should also be avoided. So next is about the belt conveyor. So belt conveyor is used for handling bulk quantity of materials. So it is transported over long distances, and it is used to transport horizontally. An endless belt operating between two pulleys with its load supported on the endless. So here flat belt is used for transporting bagged materials, and V-shaped belt for moving bulk materials, and have an anti-frictional bearing to provide high mechanical efficiency. So this belt conveyor doesn't cause damage to the material. If proper maintenance is done, it have a long shelf life and low operating cost. But when we design the belt conveyor for short distances, the initial cost will be high, and if it is for long distances, the initial cost will be low. Coming to the design of the belt conveyor, it will be designed based on the available space, horizontal conveying length, characteristics of the material to be conveyed, and capacity requirement. So capacity, it will be decided based on the speed and width, belt speed, required horsepower, maximum belt tension, braking strength of the belt, diameter of the pulleys and idlers, and quality of the belt thickness. So coming to the parts of the belt conveyor, so it consists of belt, drive mechanism, motor, pulleys, idlers, and loading and discharging chute. So this picture shows the pulleys, tail pulley and drive head pulley, and this is the endless belt that is moving between the pulleys, and this blue shows the idlers, so that is fixed to have a rigid surface to the flex to have a support to the belt, and the material will be transported to the belt, and it will be conveyed, and it will be discharged at the other end. So discharging devices like troughs or scappers are also provided in this belt conveyor. If we see the advantages, it has a high load carrying capacity, large length of the conveying path up to 3 to 4 kilometer, then simple design, easy maintenance, high reliability for operation, and more flexible. Disadvantages: vertical transport is not done, and separate arrangement for material handling is required, and hot materials cannot be transported, and high initial cost for short distances, and belt needs higher initial tension and higher elongation of the belt, 4% elongation at the working load, and conveying of sticky material is a problem in case of cleaning and discharging, causing poor productivity. See, these were some of the disadvantages of belt conveyor. Next is screw conveyor. Screw conveyor consists of a tubular or U-shaped trough in which a shaft with a spiral screw revolves. So here the rotation of the screws pushes the grain along the trough, and the pitch of the standard screw is equal to the diameter of the shaft. 10 cm dryer screw has a pitch of 10 cm. If we see the troughs of the screw conveyor, we have common shaped U-shaped trough. The first one shows the U-shaped trough. The second one is enlarged or flared trough, wider at the top, and this is used for non-easy flowing materials which have lumps. And third one is tubular trough. It is completely closed. It is used for conveying materials for vertical conditions. Applications: it is used for conveying fine pastry, solids, abrasive and non-abrasive materials, and can transport material with a capacity of even 280 meter cube per hour, and incorporated for in situ devices for mixing, heating, and also in case of cooling. Advantages: it is operated at positive as well as negative pressure. Material can be conveyed horizontally as well as vertically, but the main disadvantage is higher power consumption. So this is a screw conveyor. In this picture we can see the screw conveyor. So here we have seen the smaller screw conveyor. This is a screw conveyor with higher flights. So based on the capacity and material it will be changed. And this is another type of screw conveyor. So this is a roller conveyor. So you can see the material, bulk materials will be, packaging materials will be transported in boxes using this roller conveyor, and it operates by gravity. So next is chute conveyor. So chute conveyor is used to transport by gravity, and also packed materials in boxes can be easily transported using this chute conveyor. And next is the this is an example of chute conveyor where two or more sections can be added and two or more unloading places can be distributed. Next is the slat conveyor. Here it is also used to transport in heavy temperatures, high temperatures, like in baking ovens and all. The slat conveyor is used to cook the products. This is overall about the conveying material handling equipments. Thank you.